Hello, let's have this easy meal. Beautiful people, very easy and quick, honestly. I just add some sunflower oil in a pot and the cooker is turned on medium heat. Okay. So it's the kind of meal you want to cook quickly when you come back from work or from school or from a long trip and you don't want to really mess about with long cooking. So I'm going to add some onions. Also going to add some garlic, diced garlic. So the garlic and the onions start getting brown. And then add some tomato, chopped tomato, fresh tomato in. Season with some salt, black pepper, the next thing to do is to put my meat. It's ground meat or minced beef if you want. Okay. Stir everything to combine. So now I'm going to turn the cooker on a low heat and I'm going to add some butter. Also going to add some herbs, parsley and some basil. Right. So now I'm going to cover the pot and let the meat cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, still on a low heat. It's 5 minutes later, the meat is all cooked. There we go. So I want it a little bit spicy. I'm going to add a bit of chili powder. This is really optional, okay? And I'm going to add some egg. Cover for 2 minutes for the egg to be cooked. That's ready. Minced beef with egg. Time to serve. I'm gonna have my easy meal with some potatoes. That smells yummy. You can make this meal when you come back from work. It's easy. Come back from school, from a long trip. It only takes you 15 minutes maximum. Bon appétit! This is delicious. Thank you for watching. It is delicious and I'll see you in my next video.